people, one of Romiesh dancer them get catch pan video and make man piss up pan her. Yuck! Like, I couldn't believe my eyes when I see the video, bro. She named Ceci Boo. Ceci Boo pan IG and Ceci Boo pan TikTok. But I think she deleted her TikTok since the video got leaked. She had about 26k followers on TikTok. She's a battle girl and dancer for Romiesh Entertainment. She come in a whole heap of music video. Whole heap of valiant music video them. Whole heap of popular dancehall artist music video she come in. And who knows, but the people must say probably all one of the artists them that a piss her up. But the person who do it is unknown. We don't know. So I could left that part there. But a Romiesh, she work for she even have him name in her bio. She have him name in her bio say for link him for book her for video and so forth. Oh, and for everybody who asks for the video and want to see it, head on over to Google and search for our website, carrybloop.com to see. Couldn't believe